Welcome to the Delaware Mortgage Rate Weekly Mortgage Market Update for the week of April 29th, 2013. Hello, I'm John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage here to give you your update. Well, last week, mortgage rates touched all-time record lows again at the end of the week on Friday. So mortgage rates are unbelievably low. It is a great time to refinance or purchase your home. If you look at the bond chart on the screen, you can see that mortgage bonds rallied to end the week on Friday, and they basically closed above resistance. So that's good news. So we are going to recommend cautiously floating your Delaware mortgage rate to start the week. But if you're closing the next 30 days, locking your rate certainly would be prudent. Just take advantage of these all-time record lows again. As you can see, even 2 weeks ago we were half a point higher than we are today in rates. So that could change quickly where we're at. So you can cautiously float, but if you've got a rate you want, definitely lock that in. Now, what caused the rally at the end of the week? Well, we saw the GDP, Gross Domestic Product report, was released for the first quarter of 2013, and that came in worse than expected on Friday, and that caused the bond rally. Came in at 2.5% versus expectations of anywhere between 2.8 to 3.1%. So that shows the economy is not as robust as we first thought. Now, we also saw last week in housing news, new home sales for March 2013 came in at 417,000 units. That's right about expectations. But existing home sales, that's homes that were already built being resold, that actually came in lower than expected at 4.92 million units. And that was a 0.6% drop from February 2013. But that is still a higher number than March 2012, which was only 4.48 million units. So not all that bad, not as good as we expected in housing, but still not all that bad. FHA, big update on that. The FHA HUD Secretary Sean Donovan stated there will be no more increases in FHA mortgage insurance premiums because the FHA single family loan program is cash flowing again and has about a $4 billion surplus. So that is great news from FHA. No more increases on the horizon there. We also saw the weekly initial jobless claims released on Thursday. That filings actually dropped by 16,000 down to 339,000 claims. This number is below expectations of 351,000. So the report could be showing the labor market not as bad as March jobs report first suggested. But if you still look at the labor force participation rate, that is still showing that we just don't have enough people participating in the workforce. We need more people back to work. Adding to the economic reports last week, we saw the durable goods order for March 2013 drop by 5.7%. which was below expectations of only 3.1% decline. So the durable goods are products that will last for extended periods of time. So that report again is showing the economy is just limping along. In local news, the Newcastle County Down Payment Assistance Program, the DPS program, is going to be refunded July 1st, 2013. So we ran out of money on April 12th, and that was the Down Payment Assistance Program for anywhere in Newcastle County except for the city of Wilmington. You can get up to $5,000. That is coming back July 1st. 2013, so that's definitely some good news. In the local news, again, also, we have the next free first-time homebuyer seminar in Newark, Delaware. That is Saturday, May 11th, and that's from 10 a.m. to noon. Again, that's from 10 a.m. to noon at the Christiana Hilton Hotel in Newark, Delaware. And then the next one in Dover is Tuesday, May 21st, and that's the Dover Sheraton Hotel right there in Dover, and that's from 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. You can register for either one of those events by giving us a call in the office at 302-703-0727, or you can register online, www.delawarehomebuyerseminar.com. Again, if you are looking to buy or refinance, now is the time. Give us a call or apply online, and we'll get you started right away. www.pyramiddelaware.com. Forward to see you guys next week.